Hey everyone, Juice Man back with another video. Thanks again for stopping by and checking it out. Just wanted to do a quick one to give a shout out to Space Dust Cards. I did a very cool giveaway for hitting his 50 subscriber and actually won hanger box of the Optic. So I wanted to share that break real fast and give Space Dust Cards a shout out. Go give him a follow. He does some cool box breaks and cool guy. So go check it out. So let's just check out what we got here with this hanger box here. So let's see what we get here. Alright, so we got a Matt Forte, Jeremy Macklin. We got a nice Malik Collins, like a hollow refractor look there, rookie card. And Jeremy Macklin hollow card. Got another rookie, Cravens from Washington Redskins, hollow card. And Roberto Aguayo, hollow rookie card. Got a Connor Cook. Is that a purple? Cardale Jones. Got Von Bell. TJ Green. Will Fuller. And Trevor Davis. So there you go. Big shout out again to Space Dust Cards. Go check him out. Go give him a sub. Go check out his videos. And hit the sub button for me. Also, I'll be doing some more box breaks of another Clear Vision. I've been having some good luck with that one, so I bought another box, and hopefully we can get another big hit out of there. Thanks again, and see you next time.